from this moment, even before this moment, we have done a lot of activities to our national level. I know we have done so much with other support to dominate media so that people.
You know, heterogeneity in Nigeria is an asset, not a liability. That is why Nigeria is great. And once we harnessed and take advantage of our heterogeneity, there is no doubt we are the leaders of Africa. So this group, I know you for a longer time. You visited me in Kano when I was a governor of Kano State. And I advise you, and I'm happy you are building on what we discussed earlier. Political party as an institution is indispensable in democracy. Political party in Nigeria, as I earlier told you in Kano, is only being made a vehicle during election period, especially in developing countries. But in developed democracies, political party as an institution is an all-year-round activity, because the main function is to mobilize membership for the party and also to mobilize elected and appointed officials of the party. And this should not be done only during election period. So I'm so happy that we have built on that. And I assure you, APC is the biggest political party in Africa. We make it the most functional organ of our democracy. We assure you, our party will have very, very extensive mobilization. We have had the results of the last presidential election. We are studying the results of the presidential election. We see the variables in each state that constitute a success or failure. And we work on that. That is the function of a political party. It's an institution who will deepen and widen our internal democracy, so that the problems we are having in fight will be drastically reduced. We assure you, as a political party, we shall harness the demand of our people, the interest of our people in Nigeria, put it together and make it a political agenda for the implementation of our national government. It's a two-way traffic. We convey what the people wish for, development, to the government of the day. That is our own government. And also, we convey the agenda of the national government, of our government. We participate in the implementation of important programs of the government for the understanding of the population. That is also another basic function of a political party. So we assure you, we are equal to the task. We shall work together with you, different stakeholders, different organizations, different groups, and different interests, so that we make it an all-inclusive in the operations of our political party. So I sincerely thank you for your prayers, for your support, and I believe what you are doing is giving us encouragement. We continue to pray so that we finally get what is being put on the program for the building of our political party, the leadership of our political party, various leaders of our party. They tried their best, but it's our own responsibility to build on what they have done. So we assure you, we are all together. Thank you.
Officials. Thank you.
We have known His Excellency and we know what he can do.
Right.
That's why we are here officially to endorse him. And to endorse him based on what based on what even the zone that I come from, all the leaders from 7 states in the Northwest that His Excellency come from has also endorsed him. I serve as the leader of Northwest, and I know the kind of support I enjoy. I think no governor has given me platform and he make me to make Kano as a home. Even when I'm doing a unity cup for young people, I know how much His Excellency has approved for me to organize that program in Kano and other symposium. So as a party people, we always identify with him, and we know having him as the leader of our party is not a small achievement, and we know he has what it takes to move the party to the greater height. So as a movement, we are endorsing this by the grace of God, and we are going to be